Hello and welcome. In this demo, I'm going to show you the Prevent Duplicate feature in action, where we ensure no duplicate contacts are created based on the customer's email. Boom, let's jump right in. What's the big idea? So here's the deal. When you create a customer in Shopify with an email that already exists as a contact in Salesforce, the Sync Made Easy app doesn't create a duplicate contact. Instead, it updates the existing contact under the same email with the new information from Shopify. Bang on! Log into Salesforce. Our Sync Made Easy app is all set up. The store is already added, so we're good to go. First, let me show you the Salesforce account I've created. In this account, I've already added 2 contacts. Now I'll create a new contact named John Demo. For this, I'll give him the email demo at gmail.com and save it. Wham! The contact is created successfully, and John is now part of this account. Now let's head over to Shopify. I'm going to create a brand new customer. The customer's first name is Rosie and last name is Win. Now I'll put the email address, demo@gmail.com, and hit save. Now let's pop back to Salesforce and refresh the page. Bingo! You'll notice that the contact we created earlier has been updated automatically. Instead of creating a new contact, Salesforce updated John Demo to Rosie Demo based on the email address. No duplicates here, syncing in action, voila! Thanks for tuning in to see this in action. Smash, that's it for today. Happy syncing, and we'll see you next time.